Hello everyone. Welcome to the lecture series on numerical analysis. I am Dr. Renuka Devi K, working as an assistant professor of mathematics. In the previous lecture, we have studied general quadrature formula. From that we derived trapezoidal rule, Simpson's 1/3 rule as well Simpson's 3/8 rule. In this lecture, we shall see some problems on Simpson's 3/8 rule is integral a to b y dx equal to 3h by 8 into y naught plus 2 times multiples of 3, that is y3 plus y6 plus y9 plus etc. plus yn minus 3 plus 3 times the remaining terms, that is y1 plus y2 plus y4 and so on up to yn minus 1 plus the last term yn, where h equal to b minus a by n. And in Simpson's 3/8 rule, n should be a multiple of 3. Now we'll see some problems on Simpson's 3/8 rule. First problem, evaluate integral 0 to 3 2x plus x square the whole power 1 by 2 dx using Simpson's 3/8 rule by taking n equal to 6. And the solution is as follows. Here a equal to the lower limit is 0 and the upper limit is 3 and we have n is 6. So the formula for h equal to b minus a divided by n. Substitute b value, a value and n value, will get the step length as 0.5. Here our function is square root of 2x plus x square. And make a table for that, x value and y value. X value start from 0 by the step length 0.5 till 3. Substituting x values in f of x equal to square root of 2x plus x square, will get the respected y values. Here our y naught equal to 0, y1 equal to 1.118, y2 equal to 1.732, y3 equal to 2.291, y4 equal to 2.828, y5 equal to 3.354 and y6 equal to 3.873. Simpson's 3/8 rule for n equal to 6 is integral a to b y dx equal to 3 into h by 8 into y naught, the first term, plus 2 times multiples of 3. When n equal to 6, we should leave the first term and last term. Multiples of 3, we have only one term, that is y3. Substitute that, plus 3 times the remaining terms. The remaining terms are y1, y2, y4 and y5. Plus the last term is y6. Substitute all, will get integral 0 to 3 2x plus x square the whole power 1 by 2 dx equal to 3 into h value 0.5 whole divided by 8 into, substituting these values and simplify the right side, will get integral 0 to 3 2x plus x square the whole power 1 by 2 dx equal to 6.666. The second problem, evaluate integral 0 to 1 e power x dx using Simpson's 3/8 rule by taking n equal to 6. Here our a equal to 0, b equal to 1 and n equal to 6. Observe that n is a multiple of 3 and h equal to 1 by 6. In this problem, we'll keep 1 by 6 as it is to get exact upper limit 1. X equal to 0, 1 by 6, add h value here, 1 by 6, add h again 2 by 6, add h, will get 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6 and we'll get exact 1. By putting x values in the given function, that is f of x equal to e power x, we'll get the respected y values. Here our y naught equal to 1, y1 equal to 1.181, y2 equal to 1.396, y3 equal to 1.649, y4 equal to 1.948, y5 is 2.301, y6 is 2.718. Simpson's 3/8 rule for n equal to 6 is integral a to b y dx equal to 3h by 8 into, same like the previous problem, y0 plus multiple of 3 is only one term y3 plus 3 into the remaining term y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5 plus last term y6. Substitute all the values here. That is 3 into h is 1 by 6. So 3 by 8 into 6 into y0 till y6 values. By solving the right side, 0 to 1, we get e power x dx equal to 1.718. Next problem is evaluate integral 0 to 3 x divided by 1 plus x dx using Simpson's 3/8 rule by taking 7 ordinates. 7 ordinates means n equal to 6. So in this problem, a equal to 0, b equal to 3 and n equal to 6. By substituting these values in the formula h equal to b minus a by n. Substitute the value, we'll get h equal to 0.5. And the function is f of x equal to x by 1 plus a. Make a table. Our lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 3 and h value is 0.5. Add 0.5 in each term. 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5 and 3. Substitute the x values in the given function. We'll get the respected y values. Same like the previous problem. The first value is y0. This is y1. 0.5 is y2. And our y3 is 0.6. y4 is 0.667. y5 is 0.714. y6 is 0.75. Simpson's 3/8 rule for n equal to 6 is integral a to b y dx equal to 3 into h by 8 into y0 plus 2 times y3 plus 3 times y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5 plus y6. Substitute the respected values using the table and simplify the right side using calculator. Will get the integral value equal to 1.611. And the last problem is evaluate integral 0 to 1 16 power x dx using Simpson's 3/8 rule by taking 7 ordinates. And the solution is as follows. Here our a equal to 0, b equal to 1, and n equal to 6. In this problem also we keep h equal to 1 by 6 fraction itself to get exact 1. Function is f of x equal to 16 power x. Take a table. X is from 0 to 1 and h is 1 by 6. Add h in each term. Substitute the x value in the given function, that is 16 power x. Will get the respected y values. y0 is 1. 1.57 is our y1. 2.520 is our y2. 4 is our y3. 6.350 is our y4. 10.079 is our y5. And 16 is our y6. Now 3/8 rule for n equal to 6 equal to 3 into h by 8 y0 plus 2 into multiple of 3 is y3 plus 3 into the remaining terms are y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5 and the last term is y6. Substitute the respected values here and simplify the right hand side using calculator. Will get the integral value, that is integral 0 to 1 16 power x dx is equal to 5.413. Thank you.